For the last 6 months, I've been working on a rideable train for my nieces and nephews. Don't fall. It would live at my parents' house in Georgia. Here's some footage of the early development phase of the train. Just trial and error in my workshop until I finally got it to a point where it kind of worked. I welded the frame. It's crude, but man, it's firm. It works. The wheels have these boards here that actually keep it on the track. So there's the sprocket. Chain, motor, 48 volts of batteries, 412 volts, throttle, pedal, and the controller, and then a forward and reverse button. I spent Thanksgiving and Christmas of last year working on this thing, and it felt a little bit like Christmas Vacation, where Clark brings everybody out to look at the lights, but the lights wouldn't work. That has happened a dozen times. Flux capacitor flexing, engine running. And we threw the chain. Oh. But the fact that it's actually working, it's actually going up and down the track, makes me so happy. Now that it's working, I can work on laying the track, the aesthetic element of the train. I also need to add brakes. I have no engineering background, mechanical background. I probably did all of this wrong, but you know, it works. If anybody has any suggestions on how I can improve it, just let me know. I would love to have input. I have constructed the tracks out of just PVC pipe and wood. I still haven't cracked the nut of curved track. I know I've seen some people bend PVC pipe with sand they've heated up in the oven, and then they pour it down, cap it off, and then lay it over a buck. Man, it sounds like a lot of work. I mean, yeah, this is a lot of work. Eventually, I want to actually set it in the ground, make it look like a train track, paint the poles black, and really kind of make it look pretty, and then build a train barn to house the train. I think I'll spend a little bit of time today making more track and then testing it out in the actual spot where it's going to be. This is my dad's workshop. It's pretty cool. I made this pattern that helps me make sure that the PVC pipes are spaced properly. Got these dowels to connect the tracks.
Which one go?
You okay? Choo choo. That's just so cool. I'm gonna test out how fast this thing will go. Oh.
Oh! No! What's going to help him? Pop?
What fell off? All the guts. Oh man, that's fun. I'm gonna keep tinkering with it, and we'll just see how it develops. Thanks for watching.